Hey guys, what's up? It's Sharee. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've had a video here on my channel. Life has just been so busy and it was just out of my control. But the point is, I'm back and I'm ready to roll. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to create somewhat of a smudge root on my hair. Some of you guys are thinking like your hair still looks the same, but trust me, it's not. After I finish with this intro, you are going to see what my hair looks like, and it's not a good sight to see, honestly. I did bleach my hair. I bleached my hair, but I did not film it because it was the same process that I did when I did my last bleaching hair video. But I wanted to just touch up my roots, and at the same time I wanted to lighten it up a little bit, but for some reason it didn't really lighten too much, so I'm gonna just work with what I have. So I originally wanted to go more of an icy blonde, but we're still stuck with the ash tone right now, which is not bad. But what I wanted to do was just kind of create a darker root as opposed to just bleaching it and then just toning it, because from what I've experienced in my hair from bleaching it out and toning it, it was always much like lighter on the top here, because when you bleach your roots, obviously the heat from your head just processes your hair a lot faster, so it's always like more like brighter up here. But I kind of wanted it to just kind of have like that natural look. I don't know if hopefully that makes sense, but if you guys can see a little bit closer, it just kind of melts in there in a way. So I did somewhat of a smudge technique. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this, keep on watching, but you guys don't be so alarmed once you see my hair right now.
Okay guys, I told you my hair was going to be an eyesore, but obviously we are going to change that. So what I did was I sectioned my hair into 4 quadrants, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. For my root smudge, I'm going to be using the pewter shade from Iron Color Brilliance, and I'm going to mix that with a 10 volume developer. I just used half of the tube of the pewter and half of the bottle of the developer, and this is what my mixture looks like. As always, before I get started, I gotta protect my hands with gloves. So now I'm going to start by applying the product to the partings of my first section and along the hairline. And then I'm going to start by bringing down small sections and starting from the bottom. So I'm just saying that my head is burning from the previous bleach session that I had. So now I'm going to apply this color to my roots and painting about 2 inches down. And then basically I'm going to repeat that technique for each section I bring down until I reach the top. Here guys, see I'm placing a foil on top of this finished section. The reason for this is to protect the ends of my hair from any contact of the dark shade, which I will explain in a bit. As I work on the next sections, instead of me starting from the bottom like I did on the other side, I'm just going to continue bringing it over to the same side I was working with. So that's why I place a foil there. As I flip my hair up, the layers get shorter, so that foil just acts as a shield so my ends don't touch the root color. I hope my explanation makes sense to you guys. With the back, I'm going to be doing the same process, starting by applying the color to the parted sections first to make sure that I don't miss any spots. As I do the back, you see that I'm doing the same process by flipping it up instead of starting from the bottom. I just found it easier for me to do it this way, and it's just basically my personal preference. And as you can see, I've also placed another foil on top for protection of my ends. So yes, I will be doing the same method throughout until I finish the whole back. Once my roots were done, it's time to tone the rest of my hair. To tone my hair, I will be using T14 Pale Ash Blonde from Color Charm, and then I'm going to add half of the 050 additive and mix that with a 10 volume developer. So now I'm basically going to section my hair again and start with a small parting and start painting the toner on my hair. And then I'm going to take my fingers and just smudge the two tones together to create a blend. And that's basically it. I'm just going to keep doing this to my whole head until everything has been covered. And after I finish with each section, I like to comb my hair to make sure that it's all on there evenly. After I finish applying the tone to my hair, I'm going to leave it on to process for another 10 minutes. After washing it out, these are my results. You can see that the dark roots just smudge right into my hair, just the way I like it.
Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video was somewhat helpful for any of you guys who wanted to do somewhat of a smudge root at home for yourself or for somebody that you know. Always take the precaution just in case you are doing it for the first time. Do research before you do anything like this because anything can go wrong when it comes to hair and working with chemicals and different products that go on your hair. But if you are safe enough and if you're careful enough to do it, by all means try this out. You can always use obviously different tones, but this is what I wanted to use. And if you like the tone that I have in my hair and you want to use it for yourself, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. Mostly everything that I purchased on my hair was from Sally's. Not mostly, but everything was purchased from Sally's. I will link the exact products down below so you guys can get it. I was really impressed with the one that I purchased. It's kind of like, I guess, what I was looking for in my mind, what I wanted my hair to look like. So if you guys like this look that you guys see here, all the products will be down below. As well, I will have all my social media handles on there too. I am starting to blog again. So if you guys want to check out my blog, it is chameleonbeauty.ca. I would really appreciate it if you guys head over there after this video and then just read about what I blog about on my not daily but like weekly basis because it's so hard to keep up with everything in life. So as much as possible, I like to blog and I like to make videos here. So sometimes when I do videos here on YouTube, I will also make them into like a blog form for any of you guys who like to read more instead of watching videos. Also, if you guys haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. And when you do that, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified to when I have a new video posted, and hopefully I get back on schedule by posting every week. With that being said guys, that is about it for this video, and I will see you guys again next time.